Buenas noches, mi nombre es Duván Becerra, pertenezco al curso 715 de inglés A2. Vengo a presentarles la receta. La tarea se llama Keep Improving My Learning Kids. Entonces iniciamos. The recipe: steep potatoes for the potatoes. 1. Size medium sauna or red potatoes. 2. 4 cups of water. 3. 1 or 2 whole or halved clipped steak. 1 quarter cup milk or heavy cream. 5. 1 tablespoon of common salt. Finish recipe step: potatoes for the potatoes. Next, for the steep: 1 or 2 long onion pound. 2 large well ripe red tomatoes. 3 tablespoons of oil. 4 1 tablespoon butter. 5 1 quart cup of heavy cream or heavy cream. 6 1/2 cup double cream cheese mozzarella. 7 salt, cumin, color to taste. Finish for the steam. Next, process to prepare the recipe for the potatoes. Wash, clean, and peel the potatoes. Put a medium pot white water to season of chips and salt. Let boil for about 25 minutes or until when your insert and knife the potatoes are cooked both free. Remove from water. Serve immediately with the steam, which can be served in a separate brown bowl or poured over the potatoes. Next, process to prepare the recipe for the stew. Wash the onion, cut it into small pieces or the stage. Wash the tomatoes, peel them or remove the skin and cut them into small or medium squares. Heat and skill over medium heat with the oil and butter. Add the onion. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. Add the tomato. Add something: salt, pepper, cumin, color to taste. Let everything cook for about 3 more minutes or until the tomatoes is a light soft. Shake far. Pour over hot potatoes, and third option is to add cheese. Leaving until the cheese melts. Serve hot so that the cheese is elastic. Bueno, esta es mi receta. Espero se haya entendido, espero sea agradable. Y con esto espero la puedan preparar. Hasta luego. Gracias.